Hello everyone, myself Prasshant Sadaphule, Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Engineering of All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology, Pune. In today's session, we will learn UML basic building blocks. In last video, we covered first type of building blocks, that is structural things. Now in today's video, we'll see behavioral things. Behavioral things that represents dynamic aspects of software application. Now let's see behavioral things. Behavioral things are the dynamic parts of UML models. These are verbs of a model representing behavior over time and space. In all, there are two primary kinds of behavioral things in UML. Now first behavioral things, that is interaction, and second one, that is state machine. Now let's see first, that is interaction. An interaction is a behavior that compresses a set of messages exchanged among a set of objects within a particular context to accomplish a specific purpose. Now interaction means communication that done in between two or more than two objects. The behavior of a society of objects or of an individual operation may be specified with an interaction. An interaction involves a number of other elements including messages, action sequence, and links. So these are the elements of interaction. Graphically, a message is rendered as a directed line, almost always including the name of its operation. So as shown in figure, this is the notation to render the interaction through which we have to pass messages in between different objects. Now second behavioral things, that is state machine. A state machine is a behavior that specifies the sequence of states an object or an interaction goes through during its lifetime in response to events together with its responses to those events. The behavior of an individual class or a collaboration of classes may be specified with a state machine. A state machine involves a number of other elements including states, transition, events, and activities. Now graphically, a state is rendered as a rounded rectangle, usually including its name and its substates, if any. So as shown in figure, the state we have to render by rounded rectangle including name of that state. So these are the two behavioral things, that is interaction and state machine. By using these behavioral things, we have to represent the dynamic aspects of software application. Thank you.